Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the door hinge on your dryer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the dryer door and support it as you use a number 2 square bit or a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws, securing the door to the hinge. Detach the door and set it aside. Next, unthread the screws, securing the hinge to the frame. With the screws removed, use a small flathead screwdriver to help pull back the hinge plate. Holding the plate, rotate the old hinge and pull it out. Install the new door hinge by depressing the plate and inserting the hinge into the hole in the frame. Release the plate, then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Align the dryer door on the new hinge. Then thread and tighten the screws. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your dryer should be ready for use.